Hey y'all, so I wanted to share a good way to moisturize your skin and make your bathroom even smell more like vanilla. It's universal fragrance oil, vanilla. It's also great for wood. Watch this. It brings the natural wood grain to a more popping finish. Look at that. And it takes the dust off. And every time I open my little heart box, it will smell like vanilla because of the motion. Same with wood cabinets. Every time the beads are just pushed to the side, they have the vanilla oil on them. It moisturizes the bamboo and gives a light scent of vanilla. Record players, pulpits, the leather binders to the books. My favorite, holy oil. Holy oil always had a particular scent. Now when you open it up, mixed with the holy oil from Israel, it smells vanilla-y. And vanilla, spiritual meaning is love. A few drops. I just put this on so it's not hot. Into your wax, refreshes it. Those cookbooks, we tend to get a little dirty. It polishes it. It's like a vanilla cookie right before you even open up the book. No matter the binder style of any kind. Even old magazines. It's amazing. It's just amazing. It smells like vanilla all over. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Now, I like to rotate my shampoo and conditioner just as much as I like to rotate my cleaning products. So there's not a buildup. So I love Murphy's Oil Soap and Pledge. You know, these are all great brands. But to do that extra perk once in a while, the vanilla oil, universal. And then I just burn a napkin if you have a wood-burning stove. Smells like vanilla. Can even do around picture frames. I'm thankful for the vanilla bean. Or just leave the bottle laying around. And it will be really nice and fresh in the atmosphere. Even with your decor, you can put some oil on it. Like the cinnamon brooms. From my home to yours. Sweeter than tea. Vanilla oil, even for leather. And leather ropes to keep the moisture within the rope so it doesn't break.